What if I told you that you can earn money by watching YouTube videos? If you thought watching YouTube videos was a complete waste of time, you can now sit back, relax, and have fun watching videos while getting paid for it. All you have to do is sign up for this new website for free, go to YouTube, and watch some videos. The end. Easy money online right away. By watching videos on YouTube, sign in, and then make your own account. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Create a password and click Next. I'll show you how to use this platform later to help you make a lot of money and get the best results possible. It's free, so don't miss any parts of the video and stay with me until the end. The next thing you need to figure out is how you will get paid. Many people make the mistake of going straight to one of these sites that pays them to do different things. They then start making money on these sites, but when it's time to get their money, they have no idea how and where to do it. But don't worry, we've got you covered. PayPal is one of the best ways to collect and withdraw your money because it's free, it's available all over the world, and you can get paid quickly and easily. To get started, go to paypal.com and click on the Sign Up button. Signing up is easy and can be done in less than 5 minutes. Let's move on to sproutgigs.com, which is our money-making site. It is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy, affordable tasks. Sprout Gigs can help you make money online in a number of ways. You may already have a job or be looking for a side gig. You may also just want to make some extra money online. There are websites that pay to watch videos. You can do this in your spare time, and you don't need any special skills or experience. All you have to do is click the play button on the video, watch it, and collect your money. See the most recent workers who finished the task and the results on Sprout Gigs. As you can see, we have people from Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Kenya, and a lot of other places. People from all over the world, from different countries, use this website to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Some people make a few dollars, some make $100, some make $500, and some make $1,000. This is pretty amazing. Here in the Freelance and Earn section, you can also see the most recently requested withdrawals. You can see all of the proof of payments on this website. They have different payment systems, and this is how much people have cashed out. You may notice that this isn't something that will make you rich. Again, don't expect to become rich from this, and don't expect it to replace your day job. This is just something you can do on the side to make more money. Create a password, username, and country. As you can see, they accept people from all over the world, so just choose the country you're from. Once you're done with the sign-up process, you can start making money online, and I'll show you how. Once you've successfully created an account, you can log in. This is what your new freelance account will look like. You'll see different jobs available. On the right side of the page, you can see how much money you could make at each job. Now, I want you to change the category to video marketing and click Apply. This will show you all the jobs that are available. We have thousands of jobs that pay you to watch videos. All you have to do is click on a YouTube video and watch it from the comfort of your own home or bed. You can do this whenever and wherever you want, and you'll still get paid for it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. How does it work? Just click on any job here. First, you need to go to youtube.com and search for this word. You can't copy and paste it. Third, find the channel. Hit subscribe. Do not unsubscribe, you won't get paid. See, it's that simple and that easy. But since there won't be that many jobs that pay you to watch YouTube videos, if you want to get the most out of Sprout Gigs for free and make more money, you can also do other jobs or tasks. They're also easy enough that even a complete beginner can do them. This is a micro-jobs website where people will pay to like their Facebook posts. It only takes a single tap of a button and you'll get paid for it. All you have to do is sign up for a free platform or go to a website and click on a link. It doesn't get much easier than that. The pay isn't great, but it's worth it for how little work it takes. If you want to make extra money online, you could invest the money you make through Sprout Gigs and invest in something you think will go up in value over time. For example, they have jobs like signing up for different platforms, where all you have to do is give your email address, first name, and last name, and then you'll be paid. There are thousands of jobs you can do, and you can do as many as you want. You can sit down for a few hours and do hundreds of these jobs. You've probably noticed that some people on this website are already making thousands of dollars. I'll show you how to make money online today by just watching YouTube videos. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.